Hi there, my name's Marianne, and I am here to tell you about the Tru Earth Laundry Detergent Strips.
Hi there, my name is Patrick. I'm about to do a load of laundry with my Tru Earth Eco Strips.
All you have to do is take out this one little strip, which I love the convenience of this. They're not sticky or anything.
So I put them in my washing machine. I just love the way that you can put it in there into little pieces.
They made my laundry much simpler.
Tru Earth Eco Strips are better than other detergents because they don't come in huge bottles like this.
Look how much this saves. There's no extra packaging. Like, they can just literally have this in this tiny envelope.
I'm a big fan of the fact that they reduce transportation emissions big time.
This is so much better for the environment.
I'm very happy to move on to my Tru Earth Eco Strips and not have to buy these huge plastic bottles anymore that just go into landfill and don't get recycled.
Super happy with Tru Earth. So thank you so much for making your product.
So thank you, Tru Earth. You're amazing. You've provided me everything I want in a new detergent.
And I tell you, if I could just use Tru Earth Eco Strips for laundry detergent, I would recommend them to anybody.
Save the planet, less plastic, yay!